Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. This video is about plotting points on the coordinate plane and labeling points that's already plotted. In this video, we will continue to plot points on the coordinate plane. So this first point, -4, -10, this is telling us to go on the x-axis, -4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the y-axis, we're going to go down 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we'll plot our point there. All right, the second point that we're going to plot is -2, -9. So on the x direction, that's the first number. We're going to go -2, and then we'll go down 9. The third point, the x direction is 0. So we're not going to move off this origin, but in the y direction, it does say go down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our next point, we're going to go to where x is 2 and y is -7. So 1, 2 in the x direction and then down 7. And lastly, we're going to plot 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry, this should be 4. -6. Okay. Do you see any pattern happening between your points? So from point 1 to point 2, from point 2 to point 3, point 3 to point 4, point 4 to point 5. You should notice that we're going up 1 block and then over 2 blocks. Up 1 block, over 2. Up 1, over 2. Up 1, over 2. If we expanded this pattern of up 1 over 2, we could add more points to the pattern. 1 would be there and 1 would be here. We could do it a third time as well. If we wanted to label these points, we would go in the x direction first. So we're going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first number would be 6. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we went down, it's a negative. The next point we would go over, I'm going to start from 6, 7, 8, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8, -4 since we went down. I'm going to go over 2 more, 1, 2, and then down 4. So 10, down 3. Down -3 for that last point. So that's how you can plot points, and then also how you can label points after they've been plotted. This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.